Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make some delicious meatballs that are juicy and soft on the inside and nice and crisp on the outside. If you want to know how to make that happen, stick around and I'm going to show you. The main ingredients are obviously ground meat, which you can use from either beef or pork, or you can mix both in equal parts like I did here. The spices I'm going to use are mustard, paprika powder, black pepper and salt. And then we need 1 egg, 1 onion, 2 spring onions, some breadcrumbs and some rye bread or a big bread roll. I had put that bread roll in a small bowl of water for about 15 minutes to soften it up. I start by pressing out the water as much as I can to make the bread roll dry again. You could argue that using breadcrumbs will do the trick as well. Yes, they do. But with a softened bread roll, your meatball is going to get so much juicier on the inside. Then I put in all the other ingredients and I start mixing everything together. The meatballs can be molded in any shape you like, bigger, smaller balls or flattened balls like I prefer them. Just keep in mind, the bigger the meatballs, the longer the time to fry them. And now I share with you the secret part, how my grandmother did them and how I do them. We have to cover them in breadcrumbs. Trust me, you won't have it any other way ever again. I always like to mix vegetable oil with butter for a nicer taste of the crust. I put the meatballs in the hot pan and I reduce the heat immediately to 40%. The trick to keep them juicy on the inside and to make them crisp on the outside without turning them into a piece of coal is to go low and slow. My meatballs are bigger and flattened, so the frying time on each side is about 10 minutes. When I turn them around, the crust got a really nice golden brownish color. After 10 more minutes, they are done and get served with some crunchy sweet potato fries. At the end of this video, you can find out how I make the sweet potato fries extra crunchy and not soggy at all. So please feel free to check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and give it a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to get notified for more videos like this to come. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!